हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे एग्ज़ाम की जो हज़ारों एस्पिरेंट्स के सपनों का रास्ता है। यूपी असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर एग्ज़ाम। जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं 33 सब्जेक्ट्स के एग्ज़ाम हो चुके हैं, तो सभी एस्पिरेंट्स को कट ऑफ को लेकर टेंशन है। इंटरव्यू के लिए प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करें या नहीं, तो उसी से रिलेटेड एनालिसिस जो प्रीवियस कट ऑफ और इस ईयर के सीट को लेकर है। लेट्स स्टार्ट। पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे जूलॉजी के कट ऑफ से। इस बार पेपर टफ था, एनालिटिकल क्वेश्चंस ज़्यादा थे और ऑप्शंस भी ट्रिकी थे। हमारे एक्सपर्ट एनालिसिस एंड स्टूडेंट्स के डाटा के अकॉर्डिंग इस बार की एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ आगे हम देखने वाले हैं। जूलॉजी के प्रीवियस ईयर कट ऑफ थी फॉर जनरल कैटेगरी 138.78, फॉर EWS 132.65, फॉर OBC 132.65, and for SC category it was 116.33 marks. This year cutoff expected for general category 114 marks, for EWS category 109 marks, and for the OBC category 112 marks, and for SC category 104 marks. नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे एग्री इकोनॉमिक्स सब्जेक्ट की कट ऑफ। प्रीवियस ईयर कट ऑफ थी एग्री इकोनॉमिक्स सब्जेक्ट्स की। जनरल कैटेगरी की 140.82, EWS कैटेगरी 79.59, एंड फॉर SC कैटेगरी 63.27. This year cutoff will be for general category 138 marks. Next, for ancient history, previous year cutoff was for general category 140.82 marks, and for OBC category 140.82 for male and 136.73 for female. And for SC category this was 124.49 marks. This year cutoff will be for general category 138 marks, EWS category 126 marks, OBC category 135 marks, and for SC category 127 marks. इसमें आप +-2 करके चल सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट, for animal husbandry subjects, previous year cutoff was for general category 127.27 marks for male and 119.19 marks for female category, and for EWS 127.27, for OBC 123.23 marks, and for SC category 88.89 marks. And this year will be for general category it will be 131 marks, and for EWS category it will be 120 marks, and for OBC this will be 124 marks, and for SC category approximately 89 marks. Next subject is anthropology. Previous year cutoff for anthropology subject is for general category it was 141.41 marks. This year cutoff will be for general category 138 marks. Next, for Asian culture subject, only one seat in this subjects. Previous year cutoff for general category 112 marks, and this year cutoff will be 114 marks. Next, for botany subjects, this year पेपर वाज वेरी टफ, एनालिटिकल क्वेश्चंस भी ज़्यादा थे और ऑप्शंस भी ट्रिकी, सो इस ईयर की कट ऑफ थोड़ी कम रह सकती है। Previous year cutoff C for general category 128.57 marks. For EWS 128.57 for male and 126.53 marks for female. For OBC category 128.57. For SC category 97.96 marks. This year cutoff expected is for general 126 marks. For EWS category 120 marks. For OBC 122 marks. For SC 98 marks. Next subject is chemistry. Previous year cutoff for chemistry subject for general category this was 134.69 marks. EWS category 134.69 marks for male and 130.61 marks for female. For OBC category 134.69 marks. For SC category 97.96 marks. This year cutoff will be for general category 129 marks. EWS 126 marks. OBC will be 127 marks. And for SC category approximately 99 marks. Next subject is for commerce. Previous year cutoff was for general category 141.94 marks. And same was for EWS category 141.94 marks. And for OBC category 139.78 marks. SC category 124.73 marks. This year cutoff will be for general category 135 marks. EWS approx 129 marks. And for OBC 131 marks. And for SC category 116 marks. Next subject is drawing. Previous year cutoff for drawing subject for general category 140.82 and same was for EWS and OBC category. For EWS this was 140.82 marks and for OBC 140.82 and for SC category 134.69 marks. And this year cutoff will be expected is general category 132 marks. EWS, OBC same as was previous. EWS 132 marks and for OBC 132 marks. For SC category approx 126 marks expected. Next subject economics. Previous year cutoff for economics subject was for general category 143.16 marks. For OBC category 143.16 marks and for SC category 117.89 marks. This year expected cutoff for general category 136 marks. For EWS category 126 marks. For OBC category 129 marks and for SC category approx 109 marks. आप इसमें +-2 करके देख सकते हैं. Next subject is education. For education, previous year cutoff was for general category 159.60 marks. For EWS category 155.56 for male and 151.52 for female. Next, OBC 159.60 marks and for SC 151.52 marks. This year will be cut off for general category 155 marks, EWS 152 marks, OBC category 146 marks and for SC category 141 marks. Next subject is English. For English, Previous year cutoff was 111.34 marks. EWS category 107.25 marks. OBC category 107.22 marks. And SC category was 92.78 marks. This year expected cutoff is for general category 102 marks, EWS 99 marks, OBC 101 marks, SC approx 86 marks. This year paper was very tough and analytical questions was very much. Next subject is geography. Previous year cutoff for geography was for general 133.33 and same as general, EWS and OBC also 133.33 and also OBC for 133.33 marks, and for SC category 121.21 marks. This year cutoff approximately 130 marks for general, 128 marks for EWS and 129 marks for OBC, and for SC category approx 118 marks. Next subject for Hindi. Previous year cutoff for general category 134.69 marks. EWS was same as general and OBC was also same as general, that is 134.69 marks. OBC category 134.69 marks. SC 118.37 marks. This year expected cutoff is for general category 132 marks, EWS 127 marks, and OBC 128 marks, and SC 112 marks approximately. Next subject is history. Previous year cutoff of history subject was for general category, this was 128.57 marks for male category and 124.49 marks for female category. EWS 128.57 marks and OBC 128.57 marks, and SC category 112.24 marks. This year expected cutoff for general category 125 marks, for EWS 124 marks, for OBC 126 marks, for SC 113 marks. Next subject is home science. Home science subject previous year cutoff was for general category 128.57 marks, for EWS 133.33 marks, for OBC 127.27 marks, for SC category 124.49 marks. This year expected cutoff is for general category 123 marks, for EWS 121 marks, for OBC category approx 120 marks, and for SC category 104 marks. Next subject is horticulture. Previous year cutoff for horticulture subject general category 128 marks, and this year cutoff analysis general category approx 124 marks. Next subject law. Previous year cutoff for law subject for general category this was 135.35 marks, and EWS also same as general and also OBC. EWS 135.35 marks, OBC 135.35 marks, SC 123.23 marks. This year expected cutoff for general category 132 marks, for EWS 128 marks, OBC category 130 marks, SC category 118 marks. for mathematics subjects. Previous year cutoff was for general category 116.05 marks, EWS category 113.58 marks, OBC category 116.05 marks, and SC category 93.83 marks. Next, this year analysis for mathematics subjects. Expected cutoff for general category 113 marks, for EWS 111 marks, for OBC 113 marks, and for SC category approx 90 marks. Next subject is military science. Previous year cutoff was for military science subject for general category 145.45 marks, for OBC category 145.45 marks, and for SC category it was 117.17 marks. This year expected cutoff for general category 139 marks, for OBC category 136 marks, and for SC category 108 marks. Next subject is music tabla. Previous year cutoff for music tabla subject was for general category 157.58 marks for male and 153.54 marks for female. This year expected cutoff 149 marks. Next, music gayan. Previous year cutoff for music gayan subject was for general category 157.58 marks for male category and 153.54 marks for female category. For EWS category it was 132.65 marks and same as OBC 132.65 marks and SC category 116.33 marks. This year expected cutoff is for general category 149 marks, for EWS 128 marks, for OBC 130 marks, and for SC category 108 marks. Next subject, music sitar. Previous year cutoff for music sitar subject for general 146 marks and for SC category 110 marks. This year expected cutoff for general category 138 marks. Next subject is philosophy. Previous year cutoff for philosophy subject was for general category 160.82 marks and for OBC 154.64 marks. This year expected cutoff for general category 151 marks, for EWS category 145 marks, for OBC category 148 marks, for SC category approx 123 marks. Next subject, physical education. Previous year cutoff for physical education was for general category 124.49 marks and EWS category 110.20 marks for male and 67.35 marks for female. OBC category 120.41 marks and for SC category 114.29 marks. This year expected cutoff for general category approx 119 marks. Next subject, physics. This year physics paper was very tough. Analytical question was very much in paper. Previous year cutoff for physics subject for general category this was 127.08 marks, for EWS category 125 marks, for OBC category 127 marks, and for SC category it was 100 marks. This year expected cutoff for physics subject is for general category approx 119 marks, for EWS 112 marks, for OBC 114 marks, and for SC category approx 96 marks. Next subject is political science. Previous year cutoff for political science was for general category 147.37 marks for male and 145.26 marks for female. For EWS category 147.37 marks, and for OBC category 147.37 marks for male and 145.26 marks for female, as same as general category. And for SC category this was 132.63 marks for male and 128.42 marks for female. This year expected cutoff is for general category approx 137 marks, for EWS category 135 marks, for OBC category 136 marks, for SC category 126 marks. Next subject is psychology. Previous year cutoff for psychology subject. For general category this was 138.78 marks, EWS 132.65 marks, OBC 132.65 marks, as same as EWS category. For SC category 116.33 marks. This year expected cutoff is for general category approx 128 marks, and for EWS 126 marks, and OBC category 127 marks, and SC category 106 marks. Next, for Sanskrit subject, previous year cutoff was for general category 144.09 marks, for EWS category 141.94 marks, for OBC 139.78 marks, for SC category 118.28 marks. This year expected cutoff is for general category 139 marks, for EWS category 132 marks, for OBC category 127 marks, for SC category 112 marks. Next subject is sociology. Previous year cutoff for sociology subjects was for general category 126.53 marks, for EWS category 126.53 marks, for OBC category 126.53 marks, for SC category 118.37 marks. This year expected cutoff for general category approx 121 marks, for EWS category 114 marks, for OBC 116 marks, and for SC category approx 105 marks. Next subject is statistics. Previous year cutoff for statistics subjects was for general category 109.09 marks, for OBC 109.09 marks, and for SC category 58.59 marks. This year expected cutoff for general category 103 marks, for EWS approx 100 marks, for OBC approx 105 marks, for SC category 54 marks. Next, Urdu subject. Previous year cutoff for Urdu subject was for general category 156.70 marks, EWS 132.65 marks, and OBC category 154.64 marks for male and 150 100.52 marks for female, and for SC category it was 121.65 marks. Expected cutoff for Urdu subject for general category approx 147 marks, for EWX approx 114 marks, and for OBC category 144 marks, for SC category 115 marks. आप इसमें +-2 करके रखिएगा।